Hey guys, so if you listen to the very end of the turbo train video that I just did, you'll notice that the smoke units sounded extremely noisy. So what I did just now is pop the shells off both these powered units and put a drop of oil on the smoke unit motors. So this is what they sound like now. And that's without engine sounds, so that's a whole lot better. So here's the sounds. Alright, so there you go. Thanks guys, have a good one. And if you're interested in purchasing this, please watch my last video on it where you'll see the contact information. Thank you.